Thank you for having us, brother. We appreciate you.
Of course, man.
And for all the good fixings you had and the snacks.
Well, you haven't eaten yet.
No, but I had some good
Yeah,
stuff to get me
just
ready.
Sitting here watching everyone eating.
Primer.
Wait, there's more.
Yeah, let's keep it going.
I don't think the sun's coming out today. She's staying in. She's gonna find another way. As I sit here in this misery, I don't think I'll ever see the sun from here. Oh, I fade away. They all look at me and say, they say, hey, look at him. I can never live that way when life is hard. Today, before the pain home. Life gets hard, you got to change.